My name is Jennifer Goodwin and I'm a nurse. I'm also a mother of 2 girls. When we turned 40, my best friend and I created a bucket list of 40 things we wanted to do before we turned 41. One of those things had us returning to the trampoline park because we wanted to go and try one of the trampoline workouts. After getting there, we quickly realized that we can't jump like we used to jump. We pee ourselves. So I wanted to find a solution. This impacts me a lot in my life and I hate it. I hate the fact that that's what happens. So when I went out and explored, I found Viveve and I found that as a solution. The treatment took about 45 minutes. It reminded me a lot of like an intrauterine ultrasound. The wand is inserted inside of you and moves around, but it's not painful, like it was totally painless. And when I was done, I walked out and went home. One of the added benefits of Viveve when I was reading about it was the fact that it can help with like sexual dysfunction or lack of sensitivity or maybe tightening it up a little bit. Since I've had 2 children, I've noticed a difference in how it feels to have sex with my husband. And that's one of the benefits of this, is that it's supposed to tighten it up and make me more sensitive. So I'm looking forward to seeing those benefits.